keep on watching if you want to learn how I got these bomb results. I think this was like the next day. Guys, I have so much hair and it's so thick that it took me like a whole day just to braid my hair. These two brands right here are my absolute favorite to wrap my goddess locks, faux locks, anything. I would braid in a curly piece of hair at the top of some of the locks to give it a little messy look. We finally finished. Finally, okay? I love these results. They're so bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole thing. So mine come up. Some of them are touching my butt. I don't know if you can see. Some come up to my waist, okay? So that's what we're working with. Here's the center. This is a real easy hairstyle. You know, you spend quite a little time doing it, but it pays off in the end. This took me 5 days. I was coming to work, so I also have my clients. I'm at work most of the day. I have my clients, then I go home, try and do some of my hair. I'm already tired, so try and squeeze a little bit in and go to bed, do it all over again the next day. But it's a tedious process, especially when you're doing it yourself. You're like constantly wrapping, like your arms are burning. I'm not going to anyone else to have them do my hair. I don't let anybody touch my hair. So yeah, I'm loving these so far. I hope the tutorial helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. You can DM me on my Instagram at Yani.It. You can comment under one of my pictures if you have any questions. But hopefully this video gave you all the answers you need. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.